It's a 2016 Audi A3. Get in and turn heads and corners equally well in this luxury compact. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, leather bucket seats, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.